This is a 3D printer, and this is me, a woodworker. I make things for my home and others. For the past several years, I've been running a side business, making YouTube videos and helping people with their home projects. But there's been a big problem. I've lost half my income and YouTube views in the past year. The housing market and inflation have drastically affected my business. Can this 3D printer save my business? Or will it be the beginning of the end? Over the next 8 episodes, I'm going to use this 3D printer to create and sell new products. Honestly guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I just know that if I do nothing, it's game over. So here's the game plan. Step 1. Look at woodworkers and makers who are using 3D printing to build their business and see how they're using 3D printers to make money.
Step 2. Release 8 videos documenting my journey as it unfolds so you can follow along. Step 3. Make products that can sell so I can save my business. Now, I have some ideas and I know it's going to take some time and I'm sure going to be making some mistakes along the way. There are also a lot of obstacles that I have to overcome. Can I learn a new 3D software application used to make 3D products? Will I be able to come up with products and ideas that people want? And what hidden obstacles lay waiting? I don't know, but we're going to find out.
The first obstacle I need to overcome is learning Fusion 360. I started searching YouTube to see what videos were out there to help me learn this new 3D modeling application. I found this great video for beginners, and I'll put a link to it in the description below if any of you are interested in watching it. It helped me a lot. I know 3D modeling will be challenging, but I think the most challenging obstacle I'm going to face is coming up with a great product everyone wants. From past experiences, I've learned that products that solve a problem are often the ones people are willing to buy. But where do I start? I look to my past and the things that I made over the years. And there must be something that I can get inspiration from. After looking back at all my past projects, my daughter's bedroom built-in seemed like a good place to start. I think there might be something that I can make that will help with desk organization. But the question is, will this be something people want to buy? This is a French cleat system that I have designed to work with pen holes in adjustable shelving units like this one. The French cleat system will allow you to hang headphones, sticky notes, and other items you may want to keep organized. I have a second product I'm going to make. This is going to be a tool for woodworkers and cabinet makers. I found out that when I was installing the drawer fronts, I had a hard time evenly spacing out the gaps. I think I have a solution, and a tool that could be really helpful. This is a drawer spacer shim. It helps you evenly space out your drawer and door fronts to assist you with installation. It's more accurate than using a deck of playing cards. However, if you wish to use a deck of playing cards, it has a unique feature that allows you to. I believe that this spacer shimming tool offers more features and is better than what is currently on the market. I'm going to put these products on my website and on Etsy to see if they sell. If you want to see if it sells or fails, be sure to subscribe to find out in the next episode.